gosh. Hey there. Hey. Hey there. Hey guys, would you like to join the Toxic Animals? Would you like to join the Toxic Animal Club?
No.
No.
Join it! Join it! Where is he? Join it! Join the Toxic Animals! This is what happens when you don't join the Toxic Animals. Where are you guys? Where are you? Oh, hello. Are you anywhere here? Where are you? Come on. Oh. Come here, dog poop, Jerry. Where is he? Where is he? Hey, is that you? Hey. Hey. Hey there. Where do you think you're going? Oh. Alright. Alright, since you guys joined it.
What?
You guys agreed to join it. Shut up. Come on.
Yes, I joined.
I now commit you. Space Star.
What? No. I never stepped in this. I don't want to join the stupid animal club.
Hey, Chloe, stop.
No.
I said stop.
Yeah.
I said stop.
You want to join too? You want to join too? I commit you. Firestone. Ah, touched you. Your name is now Firestone, and your name is now Space Star. Now give me the secret half five. What? Throw up in your mouth instead. But this is our territory because I'm the leader of the club.
No, you guys are the dead. You guys joined the dead. That's your guys' territory.
But
This is where space. That makes sense. It makes sense because it's the swings. It's the closest star.
I'm just gonna go. It's not the newest thing. It's not the oldest. I'm gonna sneak in. That's their mating call. They betrayed me. I am the one who... I'm the leader of the pack. Y'all listen to me. What are you doing in my territory?
That half is yours. This half is ours.
That's his identity!
We're the bad war.
But I don't want more. I just want... Stop. You're too terrifying.
I am a humongous dragon.
Go. Demand you to leave. It's my private spot. Go
head nose actually a sword?
Ah!
Wait a minute, this guy's here, I'm able to breathe. This is fake.
What? What? I don't think I'm needed here. I'm not needed here. No, I'm not. We can talk about this, cat. Talk about it. Talk about this. Come here. On. Come run away. She's a distraction.
Yeah.
She's finished.
Put it away.